We're the ones that are going in there supplying them with what they need, with the food, getting them housing. And in this, we're sharing the gospel with them. We're sharing Jesus with them. We're giving them Bibles. A lot of the Muslims, the Shiite Muslims, the Sunni Muslims, are coming to know about Jesus because of the good works that are being done through the Christian community. These people are there going out and sharing the gospel and the Injil Sharif, which is the New Testament in Arabic, and we're passing them out. Over 50,000 copies have been passed out over the past 3 years in that area. And as they're going into these villages, there's one village that they were out, our teams, and distributing the Injil Sharif. And one of the merchants that was there came out and said, "What are you distributing? Why are you distributing this? This, you shouldn't be distributing it." He took the Bible and he tore it up and he threw it in the air. And as he threw it in the air, his hand and his arm became paralyzed. He couldn't move his hand and his arm. So the team that was there called for the leader of this group and said, "This is what happened. Can you please come and pray for this man?" So he went up there and he began to pray for him. And after 6-7 hours of praying for the man's arm and his hand were healed and he could move them freely. So the man said, "The God that can heal me is the God I want to know. Can you please tell me more about your God?" So they began sharing with him about Jesus and about the miracle working God that is available for them today. This man accepted the Lord Jesus and he said, "I want to get baptized." So they said, "Fine, we'll arrange for you to be baptized." And he said, "No, I tore this Bible in the middle of the square, in the middle of the town. I want to be baptized in the middle of the town. So the people who saw me tear the Bible and throw it in the air will see that I was healed by the miracle working of Jesus." So they went into the middle of the town, they brought a trough, and the villagers that were there brought buckets of water and filled the trough with water, and he was baptized right where he tore that Bible and where he was paralyzed, giving glory to the Lord Jesus Christ, that he is alive today and he works miracles today.